WEIHAI Hero Outdoor Company Limited is a water sports equipment company located in WEIHAI City. Our business partner factory is a reliable OEM/ODM supplier in China, and our products are selling well in Europe, North America, Australia, Asia, etc. Our business partner factory has many skilled craftsmen and engineers with rich experience in production of double-layer drop-stitch SUP boards, inflatable boats, inflatable kayaks, inflatable yoga mats, inflatable platforms, including customized size, custom design logo. We and our business partner factory welcome those who want to set up a new brand. Even if you are just beginning to do your brand, we help brand owners and wholesalers to enhance their brand and profit from their business fast. Designing every product with utmost confidence. Hero Outdoor boasts a team of skilled and passionate designers with over 8 years of experience in producing ingenious designs. Our products are exported all over the world. We are continuously researching the latest outdoor market trends, and our team submits new design plans on a regular basis to ensure that our products click with your end customers. In the efficient and independent workshop, our business partner factory skilled and experienced engineers work on outdoor products for 7 to 10 days using the latest machinery. Our quick sampling is also aided by a well-supplied inventory of materials, accessories, and ready-made samples that can be promptly delivered for your assessment.